I'm Grace. We are the manufacturer of Android head units. Now I'm in our factory testing room. Today I'd like to share with you our very latest launch product. It is for Toyota Alphard 30 series, 35 series to upgrade to the 40 series. Let's move on to see it. Order now is in the aging testing. Here are the other very popular these products. And if you are interested in our products, welcome to contact with me. I'm Grace, and this is my WhatsApp QR code. Remember, this is our factory exclusive model, so we will provide you very good price and service.